Today we're going to the drum tower and to the bell tower. You see this from my roof terrace from the hostel. I don't know if that is the bell tower over there or that one. We will find out very soon. Every morning we're doing a cup of coffee over here. Here, Shirley?
Yes, that's right. That is the drum tower, what you see at the background.
It's nice that people playing around.
Oh, they're quite good. Now we got tickets. We're going to the security check, so
let's go.
We're going to climb the longest stairs.
Yes, up to the drum tower. There are the drums.
Gonna hit some drums.
This is awesome. We're going to do this. We're going to fly.
Look, Menno's going to be flying. This is going to be so awesome. Menno's doing his flying, practicing. Just flew through China. Now that was really awesome. We had a really good time flying around. Now we're going to the bell tower and we're going to check it out how that's inside. Now come along. Ticket check. We're going up. Now there is the bell. The big one. Wow.
That is really funny. We're drinking coffee there every morning and we see it from the bell tower. That is awesome, isn't it?
Awesome. So we can never do
No. That's why we always find our hostel back, because it's near the drum and bell tower.
Exactly.
What are we going to do next? Go for a snack?
Yes, let's go for a snack. I'm always into snacks. Now guys, this is a tip from Henry, our guide, what took us to the Great Wall Friday. said this is the best dumpling place from whole Beijing. So we are going to be the first to try it out, I think. What do you think, eh?
Well, let's check it out. I'm hungry, so.
I was a bit hungry. Come along.
I'm coming. Let's try it out, babes.
Let's try it out.
Your dumplings.
The dumplings.
You've got pork.
Yeah, I've got pork and chives and rice.
And this is lamb.
Lamb and
Lamb's
mushroom.
meat. And mushroom, but we're sharing everything as always.
Yes. Now you go. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Is it delicious?
It's delicious. Ouchie. If I say it wrong.
Right. Yeah.
Taste yours as well.
Yeah, you may taste mine.
Very different.
Yeah, it's way different, eh? But
Also nice.
yes, I want to try yours also just
They're
now.
both nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good restaurant, good dumplings.
Yeah.
So if you ever come to China and you're in the area, just come and have a look and sit down and enjoy.
It's just 2 restaurants away from our hostel.
Yes, it's not far away.
Okay, we'll eat if you don't mind.
No, I'm going to be eating now too. Now, let's explore the Hontong streets and the Hoya lakes and the bars
Snacks.
and the snacks. There's lots of snacks and food around here. Absolutely.
Lots of people.
And lots of people, like you guys can see. Absolutely crazy. And he's explaining about the walls. Really interesting all over here. And we're just sitting and relaxing at the back. What more can we say, eh?
Just enjoying the moment.
Yes, we're just enjoying the moment. That's all about Beijing.
Going to see a family house inside.
Yes, we're going to see a family house.
You're rich.
I'm rich. I've got a lot of money. Money, money, money. Look how many people there are here. Absolutely crazy. Menno wants to sit down on his rocking chair. It's a rocking chair. It's not a rocking chair. What a pity.
It was nice to see the house from inside, Hutongs.
Yes.
It was a bit too much touristy.
Yeah, it was a bit too much touristy. It's so beautiful here at the lake. We are now going to go looking for the Peking duck restaurant so we can get nice duck to eat, Peking duck. So yes, that's where we're walking now.
Beautiful over there. Everybody's chilling.
Everybody's
The-
relaxed.
They're taking a stroll around the lake.
A Sunday afternoon.
Yes. So this is a different Sunday walk for us.
Yes, a different Sunday.
We found the duck.
Yes, we found the duckers. What can you find?
Duck.
That's really a big duck.
It's in English as well.
Yes, that's interesting.
I think we're doing the supreme barbecue duck.
Yes, I think we'll be doing that. That sounds good. I'm alright with that.
Chili. Some cucumber.
That's mine, eh?
And some duck. Black bean sauce, really nice. A little bit of sweet. A little bit sweet. Bon appetit.
Nice.
Really delicious. That was nice, wasn't it?
Yes, that was a really nice, delicious meal we had. Absolutely mwah.
Now we're going to bed.
Tummy is full, tired, just now I'm going to sleep really well.
This is the end of the video. Hope you liked it, thumbs up and subscribe.
Leave a comment down below and let us know how you feel.
Okay, check you guys later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.